Alright, so this was the moment we all have been waiting for, that is the big budget blockbuster movie. The Godzilla vs. Kong's trailer is officially out now. The biggest battle royal of this year will be out in cinemas this year, and also it's reported that the movie will be streaming in HBO Max too. From the trailer, we can see that due to some reason, Godzilla has turned to be a villain, but we are not sure why he turned into a villain yet.
It's Godzilla.
It looks like only the small kid can be able to control the Kong. Using the kid, they're trying to use the help of Kong to save the mankind from the villain Godzilla. Kong needs a weapon to destroy Godzilla since it has that supernatural destructive power in it, so he is holding an axe kind of thing, going for the head. Which actually looks like a Stormbreaker to me. Maybe Thor wants to help Kong.
Thor, what do you know?
But yeah, this is a solid trailer, the visuals look stunning. This movie has to be experienced in theater to get that full visual treat. For sure this movie is something special, since movie lovers haven't experienced any movies which is visually stunning after the COVID outbreak. And hopefully this movie will bring that theater and 3D experience back to life. That's all for this video. If you like this video, do give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you're a movie freak and need movie suggestions. See you in another video, cheers.